Buongiorno a tutti, benvenuti al Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned where are you from? Di dove sei? There was also at the end a mini quiz related to this topic. The question was, how do you say she's Spanish in Italian? A. Lei è spagnola. B. Lei è spagnolo. C. Lei è spagnole. The correct answer is A. Lei è spagnola. Spagnola is singular feminine adjective. In this lesson, you will learn to say where do you live. Let's have a look at the agenda. The fifth lesson of this course will show you how to say where do you live in formal and formal way, and also how to answer these questions. Then there will be some dialogues. In the grammar section, I will show you the conjugation of the verb abitare. Next, I will do a quick review of what I have explained through the summary. Finally, there will be a mini quiz to test your understanding. Let's start. I will syllabify each sentence and repeat it 3 times. Please repeat after me. Dove abiti? Dove abiti? Dove abiti? Dove abiti means where do you live? It is informal. It is usually used with colleagues or friends. Dove abita? Dove abita? Dove abita? Dove abita means where do you live? It is formal. It is used with person you show respect, such as teachers, supervisors at work. Let's see how to answer these questions. Abito a. Abito a. Abito a. Or abito in. Abito a or abito in means I live in. In the grammar section, I will explain when you can use abito a and abito in. Let's see some examples. First of all, listen to this informal dialogue. Andrea, dove abiti? Abito a Roma, in via Rizzoli. E tu dove abiti? Abito a Venezia, in via Buonarroti. Listen carefully. Andrea, dove abiti? Andrea, where do you live? Abito a Roma. I live in Rome. In via Rizzoli, in Rizzoli Road. E tu dove abiti? And you, where do you live? Abito a Venezia, in via Buonarroti. I live in Venezia, in Buonarroti Road. Now let's move on to a formal dialogue. Signora Villa, dove abita? Abito a Lugano, in Svizzera. E lei? Anch'io. I will repeat it again. Listen carefully. Signora Villa, dove abita? Miss Villa, where do you live? Abito a Lugano, in Svizzera. I live in Lugano, in Switzerland. E lei? And you? Anch'io. Me too. I will repeat the dialogues again. First, the informal one. Andrea, dove abiti? Abito a Roma, in via Rizzoli. E tu dove abiti? Abito a Venezia, in via Buonarroti. Now the formal one. Signora Villa, dove abita? Abito a Lugano, in Svizzera. E lei? Anch'io. As you are aware, in the dialogues, I use sometimes abito a and other times abito in. Abito a is used with city names. For example, abito a Roma, abito a Venezia. On the other hand, abito in is used in two cases, with country names and with address. For example, abito in Italia, abito in Svizzera, or abito in via Rizzoli, abito in via Buonarroti. Now I'm going to conjugate the verb abitare. Literally, abitare means dwell, staying as a permanent resident. Io abito. Tu abiti. Lei, lui, lei abita. Noi abitiamo. Voi abitate. Loro abitano. Repeat after me, please. Io abito. Tu abiti. Lei, lui, lei abita. Noi abitiamo. Voi abitate. Loro abitano. Let's make more sentences. Dove abita lei? Where does she live? Lei abita a Madrid. She lives in Madrid. Dove abita lui? Where does he live? Lui abita a Dublino. He lives in Dublin. Dove abitate voi? Where do you live? Noi abitiamo in Belgio. We live in Belgium. Dove abitano loro? Where do they live? Loro abitano in via Cadorna. They live in Cadorna Road. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. If you want to ask a colleague where do you live, you say dove abiti? If you want to ask where do you live to a stranger, you say dove abita? To answer, you say abito a or abito in. Abito a is followed by the city name. Abito in is followed by the country name or address. The conjugation of the verb abitare is io abito, tu abiti, lei, lui, lei abita, noi abitiamo, voi abitate, loro abitano. I will give you a mini quiz. Please try to do it. How do you say I live in Paris? A. Abito in Parigi. B. Abito a Parigi. C. Abitiamo in Parigi. You can find the answer in my Instagram account, and you can also find the slides of this lesson. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach you the numbers in Italian. Grazie ed arrivederci!